Oh, hey, thanks for coming by today. You know, I'm so glad you were here. I thought today you would love to learn how to create a agate heart with a rotary tool. Come on with us. CJ from Agate Enchantment and Rock Wizardry. I thought for sure, since we had so many requests, teaching you how to cut, carve, and polish an agate heart with a Dremel and a flex shaft. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to cut and create it and make this absolute beauty. All right, a lot of you have been asking on how to use your Dremel to shape stones. Now I have two basic teardrop shapes that I've cut on my tile saw. Now, if you look over here, I've got my bits that I'm going to be using. I've got a coarse grit on my Dremel, and then I've got a finer grit. But I also have two cut-off wheels, a large cut-off wheel and a small cut-off wheel. I also have the rounded ball, diamond tip ball, and I have a cone diamond tip. And I also have a sander. These are bits that you're going to want to use to shape your stones. You also need water. I do recommend eye protection and a mask. I know masks are not a great topic right now, but it is very important. Silicosis is not anything to play with. So what we're going to do is we are going to take our coarse bit and we're going to start our shaping, kind of getting the pleasing shape that you want. And if you notice, this one has a hole, so we've got to be kind of careful there. So I'm going to be taking excess off over here so it is more symmetrical with this side. So here we go. Okay, we have our bit on now, and we're going to do just a bit of divoting here to create that V shape for the heart. So here we go. Okay, so now we've got the V shape that we want. Now we're going to take the cutoff wheels and we're going to level these out and make them smoother. And we're going to start out with the big cutoff wheel, and then we'll go to the smaller one. All right, we have the big cutoff wheel on. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take it, and what I recommend is using the stone, keeping your blades steady, just keeping it steady, and using the stone as the movement. Keep your bit still and use your stone as the movement. Okay, we now have the smaller cutoff wheel, and we're going to take it around the edges where you can see the chips in the edge, and there's also a couple of little chips right down here in the V, and we're going to smooth those out, and we're going to smooth out the edges to where it doesn't chip and break. Here we go. All right, as you can see, there's a, you can see the bevel on it now. There's still a little, a couple of little spots that need to be smoothed out. And I'll go back and smooth them out a little bit. But that's basically how you do it. Later on, I'm gonna put a little bit more pizzazz and put a fire opal as an inlay.